What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dadlife. Alright guys, in this episode we are going to get back on the little Nitro HPI MT monster truck restoration. The second video we are going to work on installing the new aluminum front bumper for it and see if we can get the throttle and brakes adjusted in this video. And then if that works, bash on it again. Enjoy the video. Alright guys, so we are here back at the truck. You can see this is the stock bumper that comes with it. Nothing crazy, just a little piece of plastic. You can tell it does actually protect it, the front bulkhead, but why not have some bling and a farther out bumper? So let's see what it looks like stock with the body on. Kind of show you what it does or doesn't do, I should say. Get that in. Alright, so you can barely see it, and you can actually kind of see that it's bent up a little bit, so it does do a decent job. But let's get the aluminum one put on. Alright, let's see what we need here. So, here is our purple skid plate and bumper. There is the part number, NMT for Nitro MT 4003. Comes with the hardware, and let's see about getting this installed. So let's flip this on its side. Hopefully you can see, and no fuel in there. So, all right, let's flip it on its side so you can see. There we go. All right, so looks like. Alright, something that I am actually very excited for is, you could see right in this location here, it almost looks like this little plastic bumper slides under the frame, and I was thinking, oh, am I going to have to actually disassemble everything? But you don't, because of the way it curves out. So we got to remove these 4 screws. We're going to use the new ones that come with it. Alright, take your time, do not strip these old screws. Alright, now we're going to use the new stainless hardware that comes with it. Again, countersunk. Get it started. Nice little unit here. Alright, and now what I'm going to do here, now that I have it attached, is I'm going to loosen these out one by one. I'm going to put a little dab of thread locker on there, just because the vibration of the bumps and the nitro has some power. kind of like many things. Just a little dot. See if we still got enough in here. Nothing worse than when you're using your RC car or truck and little screws fall out, especially these that are nice countersunk stainless, and then you don't have them in your box, or you have to order them online or go to the store, and then again not have the proper size, which means you can't have fun with it. Don't worry about the overflow. We're going to just grab a quick paper towel, wipe all that off real quick. Alright. Let's go grab a paper towel. Alright, let's wipe all that off. Alright. In business. Alright, now let's take a look how it looks with the body on. Probably gonna look way, oh, that's cool. Pretty cool. Look at that. Post. Nice. It's going to definitely protect the front of the car and some of the suspension components, which will be nice. Not that we want to slam it into a wall or anything, but just in case. Alright, looking cool. Let's put that on the ground. Alright guys, so now we are going to try to get the throttle working. So I put this old, I guess they called it a servo saver if I remember right. I had put this on many years ago. Let's see if it'll focus. There you go. And what I'm thinking is, for the heck of it, why not put the stock one that it came with back on? And maybe that'll fix the problem. You never know. Let's give that a shot first. Alright, so let's unscrew this screw. Again, don't strip it. Alright, let's see here. So we got to take that off, and that comes off there. Disconnect it from the carburetor, the little barb fitting there. And that is easier said than done. Okay, let's disconnect it here. Alright, so this is the front screw. Put that aside. Okay, disconnect this here. Okay, let's take this out. Okay, so disconnect it here. Trying to do this one-handed.
Leg.
Yesterday the spider hurt your leg?
Yeah, and then I suffered from with death.
Oh no.
And then he is so here gone, but I can't find him in that grass.
Can't find him in the grass?
I can.
Oh, okay. Alright.
But give me this hour and he's going to eat but he can't eat birds.
Your doggy can't eat the birds?
No.
Okay. Alright, let's see if this is gonna work.
Every day. I don't want him. He's good Santos. So, outside. You know my dog's name?
Alright, let's see if this works. Alright, let's give this a shot. So we're going to turn this on first. Alright, we're going to turn on the battery tray. Got green. Going to give this a shot. Let's give it some throttle. No way. Brake. And then when we turn it off, the fail-safe should make the brake go forward. See, there's the fail-safe. Backwards. So let's see.
That was the fail-safe.
Oh, we might have to adjust it, but let's give it a shot.
Fail-safe.
What is the fail-safe?
Yeah.
It's this little thing right here. See where the green button is?
Yeah.
What happens is, if it gets interference or if the power gets lost, it protects it and it stops it.
Oh.
So let's give it a shot.
Okay, let's give it a shot.
Let's give it a shot.
Together.
Together.
And let's be first together.
Let's be brave together.
Wait.
Just put a splash of gas in.
And then all done.
Yes. All right, guys, we are going to try to start this up and see if the throttle and brakes are responsive. So I'm going to try to put the phone down as best I can. All right, let's give it a shot. Low starter. Let's see if I can get this thing to actually respond to the throttle and the brake. And also not run away from us. Alright guys, so we're going to stop the video there. As you can see, the throttle, the old school throttle linkage, the original one I should say, it appears to have fixed the throttle and the brake response, but unfortunately now the 4 AA batteries in the receiver tray have died and it's had loss of signal, and they were kind of going in and out, you know, as we started back up the past couple videos, which is okay. I just didn't have time to take off the little tray, put in new batteries. So in the next video, we're going to replace the receiver batteries. And we also have another small part coming for the Nitro MT. I'll just give a hint. It's for the front of the truck this time. So that's where we're going to end this video. If you guys have not yet, please give me a thumbs up and a like and subscribe to the channel. Again, the more we subscribe and like, the more this content will find the people that find these videos not only entertaining, but of course useful, which is the main purpose of this, not just having fun. Also, lastly, took a look at the underhood of the Vet yesterday. I was just checking the battery tender, making sure it's still connected, all that good stuff. Random quick check, but it appears the serpentine belt is starting to walk off again, which probably means what my first fear was last year when we replaced it and did that video. The stock balancer is about 90,000 miles. It's starting to separate at the rubber seal. So I have a quote into Complete Street Performance, or I should say a request for a quote to see about putting either an ATI or they also recommended the Power Bond balancer on and see what that would run parts and labor. So that's probably going to be coming soon, sooner rather than later. But as always, guys, please subscribe. Thank you for tuning in. This is Dadlife.